What's going on, world? It's your boy Larry Wills back with another video. Video 3, right? 5 ways to recruit 2 people a day in your network marketing business. How are we doing this? How are we rocking out? Right? So we're gonna go through that. I'm gonna go ahead and help everybody overcome their challenges. All right. Video 3. We're talking about join my team. Okay. So let's just recap really quick. In video 1, we talked about a postcard campaign, right? That led to a sustainability product, right? And now you got all these people on this list, got all these names being collected, right? So how do you pitch them? How do you pitch them your network marketing business? How do you pitch them your opportunity? Okay? So when it comes to pitching my network marketing opportunity and my business to people that are just fresh recorded and getting on my list, right? One of the best ways that I found to do that is to have people ask you if they can join your business. If they can have people ask you if they can join your opportunity, right? And so instead of us just saying, "Hey guys," 9 times out of 10, you got a website, a company website, and that website has a presentation on it. Okay? And then when you send out this presentation, it say either buy or, buy, and then they go to the checkout, right? The checkout, which gets them into your actual opportunity if they fill out the order form. All right, so this is presentation, order form, and your network marketing company owns this. Okay, this is what they own. This is what they're telling you to go out and make happen. Right now, this presentation can be in the form of a hotel meeting. It could be a form of a video. It could be a form of a 3-way call, a sizzle call, a 9 o'clock, recruiting call, whatever the case may be. It's a presentation, and if they like what they see, they go to a page to check out, and they get into the opportunity. You understand what I'm saying? So if you send this to your list, yeah, you may get some people, depending on how great your upline or how great the presentation is, you may get some people. But how do we make this like a 97 to 100% close rate? How do we get people to actually close, right? So one thing that I actually do is that instead of me sending this off, all right, I create a compensation plan video. Okay. Compensation plan video. All right. Now, when a person joined my team, right, I've already taught them the sustainability process. So as they're going through this information, they if they're on this list, they're already saying, "Wow, this is some powerful stuff." If he's teaching me this for free, if I join his actual team, how does that work, right? So when I create this compensation plan video, it's not strictly about my compensation plan inside my network marketing company. It's a 2-side compensation plan, right? And I'm gonna write this back up there, just that part. But it's a 2-part compensation plan. There's a front end, and then there's a back end. All right. Now this is very powerful, y'all. So pay very close attention. This is some real good stuff. A front end is what is created here. Your front end cash flow. So in our case, I showed you where $3, right? A $3 postcard can equate to almost $300 in daily pay. All right. And so I'm gonna break that part down. So if you have a sustainability product, right? So 9 times out of 10, this is how I'm gonna break it down for them. If you work in a job, right, and your job brings home income. So if this is your job, let's say this is your job and this is your business, right? So if this is your business and this is your job, 9 times out of 10, your job income, you don't got paid next week. You get paid anything in business? Nope. Got paid again? Get paid anything in business? Nope. Got paid again. So your job is consistently producing an income, and your business is consistently not. You understand what I'm saying? And so when I give that scenario on a timeline basis, right? So if you got, your job up here and your business down here, okay, and you got a timeline, how much money are you making from your job? So let's just say, for instance, if you're getting paid $10 an hour, and you work 8 hours a day, you're making $80 a day. All right, so we're just going to use this simple phrase. So you're making $80 a day. If you're making $80 a day, from your job, and then you got your bills. So I do this whole example. You got your bills, right? Your bills can be $3,000 a month. Let's just say, for instance, okay? And if you're paying $3,000 in bills, your job is pretty much going through all those expenses. So how much money is your business bringing in every day? Your network marketing company, how much money do that bring you in every single day? If it's not bringing you in nothing, if it's not bringing you in no money every day, can you understand how if you kicking out auto ship payments or marketing material payments and all this stuff, your MLM is no longer the thing that's making you money. It just became an extra bill. You understand what I'm saying? So in order for this to be switched around, you have to have something that's bringing you in daily pay, because if you do not, you will not last. You will not last. It's impossible. Like, it's impossible to run a business that requires you to be in profit mode if you ain't in profit mode. You understand what I'm saying? And so, as far as when you join my team, like when I now, just to bring this all home for you, when I get somebody to join my team, I send out a compensation plan video that explains to the average person. Well, in my case, I like to recruit network marketers. The reason I like to recruit network marketers, or people that's already been in or part of this industry, is because you ain't gonna never ask me, is this a scam? Or is it a pyramid scheme? You never going to ask me that. So I don't feel like answering those questions to avoid those, those initial break into the industry type questions. I don't have to deal with brand new people. I already deal with people who's frustrated, who's tired, who's just looking for a better way. When I show you that better way and I show you my compensation plan video, you're going to logically say in your mind, I am doing this with my job, but I am not doing this in my business. And if you want to learn how to do this in your business, then you join my network marketing team. You understand what I'm saying? And I will show you how to do this in your business, right? Now, what makes them say yes 97% of the time after you show this video and you show your network marketing team is the network marketing offer, y'all. It's the why should they join you, y'all? Why should they join you versus anybody else, include not doing nothing at all, right? We got to include not doing anything at all, right? I'm comfortable. I'm good. My income exceeds my bills. I'm not joining anybody right now. I'm just seeing what my options is, right? That's what they tell you. I can't do it enough, right? That MLM offer is the beast mode that makes this stuff happen. But if you send that compensation plan video and you logically show them why joining you will make good sense because of financial situations, right? Then you will always have a person that say, you know what? I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to give it a go. But then you got to have a good offer to yank them over the hump when a person is right up there at the point of making a purchase and they about to, that's when your offer grabs them by the throat and yanks them to you so that they can join your team. All right, so let's keep it awesome, guys. And so, listen, I'm talking to you right now. I'm telling you, if you did this, if you put this in your business and you set it up the right way, then you will start to see a difference and you will start to recruit 2 people a day. So what we're going to do, we're going to put down the phone, we're going to put these systems in place, and we're going to pick up a paycheck. Make sense? All right, guys, so hope you are loving this information. I hope you're loving this training. Again, if you would like to be able to build all of this, and you want to go through the systems, and you want to do the things that I'm doing, and you want to see how I'm rocking out my team, and you want the templates, and you want to, actually be in the trenches and going through it, and you want to do all this, then you go to the MLMbuilderscode.com, and I'm going to help you do it, right? Now, don't come to the MLMbuilderscode.com if you do not want to grow skill sets that's going to make you a leader. You will have skills that's going to help, you want to have skills that's going to put you in a position where you got great responsibility. You're going to feel on the inside, just like I feel, just like everybody on my team is starting to feel. You're going to feel on the inside like there's no way I can have all this information in front of me or inside of me and not share it to the world, right? So it's with great power comes great responsibility, and you're going to find it in you that you're going to want to go out and tell the world about this entire situation because you got it in you, and it's a lovely way to build financial stability and residual income, right? So now you're going to have a front end of income, and then you're going to have a back end of income with your network marketing opportunity, and don't always have to depend on a recruit to make the people come and join your business. I mean, to get money into your pocket. Does it make sense, guys? So we done been through a traffic campaign, right? We done showed you what a sustainability product looked like, and I demonstrated that through the example that I gave you in this video. Listen to me. If you are a discouraged type, if you are in your mind, you saying, man, that's a lot of work. I don't feel like doing all this. Think about all the years that you put in this, and you haven't been able to build, a 6-figure or 7-figure income with the grunt work that you've been doing. You understand what I'm saying? This is not an option. This is what the network marketing leaders are doing. And if you want to be a network marketing leader in the internet age, then this is what you need to start doing as well. That's just the bottom line, right? You either take my advice and flourish, or ignore it and still suffer. All right, so it's your boy Larry Wills. In the next video, we're going to talk about how do I get my team started? How do I give them onboarding systems and training to make sure that they are getting started the proper way, right? Because if you're like I said, if I bring in 1,000 people, if I give you 1,000 people to train, will you be able to do that successfully and in a successful way to where those people can get started and start the momentum moving? Because if you don't, if you're spending time at this place, your business is pretty much stuck and you're not going away. So we're going to show you how to get your team members started so they can get off to a fast start, right? So you went through traffic, you went through sustainability products. I'm just showed you how to get people to join your team by sending them a simple compensation plan video on what they're doing now versus what they got. And if your compensation, and this is just an example, guys. You can create this video to be whatever you want it to be. You understand what I'm saying? You just have to make sure that it's enticing enough to make people want to check out your MLM offer. All right. So we talked about that. We're going to talk about getting started in the next video, and that way we can go ahead and get this ball rocking and rolling. And then we're going to get into the MLM offer, which is my best part. All right. So guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this scenario. Hope you guys are enjoying the video, this 5-day video course on how to get 5 people a day. Hold on, guys. I got a call coming in. All right, cool. Okay. So, hope you guys are enjoying this this training series. 5 ways to recruit 2 a day. Right. So put down the phone, pick up a paycheck, put a system in place so that you can start recruiting people into your network marketing opportunities. All right. So again, it's your boy Larry Wills, and I will see you in day 4 of the Mysterious Network Marketing